These days, many companies have been manufacturing machines and vehicles that not only addresses the needs of the market, but also gives them additional features to make work easier. In today's Mighty Machines video, we'll be looking at the 11 machines with impressive ways of working. Without further delay, let's get into the video. MCELROY's largest machine to date is the TALON 2000. It makes use of an innovative and unique method to merge large-diameter thermoplastic pipe. This is something they see that can potentially replace aging infrastructure. If that happens, capacity for a wide range of modern applications is seen to increase too. It's a self-propelled vehicle that can safely lift a pipe from the ground, then position it for fusion, and move from joint to joint down the pipeline. Its quick-action facer and electric-powered indexer also enables it to accurately and safely position the heater and facer in the fusion machine. Moreover, the operations of this machine are managed with the help of a touchscreen operator station that mimics the controls of other MCELROY hydraulic machines, which makes it easier for operators to use. A lot of scientists have recently voiced out their concerns on the pollution the world faces. According to them, humans, especially the big companies, have produced so much plastic waste to the point that it has already damaged our environment. If we don't do something about it now, we might not be able to reverse its effects later. As a way to combat plastic pollution, many experts have brainstormed to design this NIMATECH vacuum. It has suitable suction cups that are very important when addressing the issue on plastics. To use this machine, you can mount it on any crane arm, and from there you can now use its 215 kilogram capacity. Aside from that, lithium batteries can be used optionally or when really needed, but this machine also has an electric drive, so you don't have to worry about a thing. ALMAC and Multitel Pagalario has successfully manufactured this ultralight telescopic crawler platform called the JIBBI U1570 EVO. This was produced using a special aluminum alloy that makes a sturdy yet light structure possible. Due to this, it's able to work with heights that go up to 15.40 meters. It has an approximate weight of 2,900 kilograms, which also contributes to how easy it can be transported with just a standard trailer. ALMAC is also very proud to say that this machine is integrated with their innovative techniques such as the dynamic and proactive leveling automatic leveling systems. The machine is allowed to operate both so that slopes of up to 22 degrees, 40%, are well compensated for whenever moving in transport conditions. This also does the same during the driving at height operation so that the machine is automatically self-leveled. VAL'AIR has been in the industry of cleaning for years now. Through this experience, they have been able to release their first machine in the electric vehicle range in 2016 called the Electric Washer LEV 1500. Originally, it had a capacity of 1,200 liters, but later on was expanded to 1,500 liters. It's an electric cleanliness vehicle that is maneuverable, compact, and meets road maintenance needs in urban and road environments. Thanks to its small template, this is ideal for cities as it circulates easily on narrow streets or sidewalks. The Westermann weed and moss brushes are the next-generation alternative to pressure washing for both commercial and residential users. With German engineering and a Honda engine, SPA Power Machinery is the UK distributor. This powered wire brush will clean any hard surface of thick moss and light weeds. The brush's clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation allows you to reach the moss in the cracks and crevices without using harsh chemicals or water. Both Honda engine options are high in quality and performance. Professionals rely on the Honda GX V160 to deliver dependable, easy-to-start, and fuel-efficient performance on a daily basis. The Honda GCV X170 is a slightly less expensive option that is ideal for occasional use. Because of its heavy lifting capabilities and small footprint, the CTX 160 mini skid steer from Vermeer is ideal for landscape contractors. When moving pallets or other materials around a job site, the tractive efforts and controllability can assist the operator in feeling confident maneuvering around tight spaces. It also comes with a 3-year limited warranty on the loader arms. The CTX 160's 40 HP Kohler diesel engine provides power for a variety of applications, making it a tool capable of tackling job site challenges. This Tier 4 final unit operates solely on DOC, which reduces maintenance and repairs. It has 42 inches in total width, offering maximized traction and low ground pressure and a lift capacity of 1,600 pounds. This makes it possible to reach a hinge pin height of 88.75 inches too. A recent advancement in automated hedge cutting technology is the BECX HS131HR. It mulches more effectively, discards less cut debris, and has a more durable shell. The traditional vertical roller makes vertical hedge cutting easier while also protecting the hood from wear and tear. Naturally, hedge tops can be trimmed as well. Numerous new features have been added to these well-known fundamental components. The basic HS131HR, for example, has various hydraulic safety measures and easier-to-maintain blade heads. The compact turner BACKHUS A30 is a machine with a robust and compact design that works with such an innovative operation. This machine is meant for turning windrows and is self-propelled, so no additional tractor is required. It also has a compact rubber track chassis that provides the best handling characteristics, while the automatic ground contour adjustment of the track clearers provides the windrow turner with special agility. Its rotor is also height adjustable, completely reversible, and its rotational speed can be adjusted continuously so that maintenance is easier. The windrow turner BACKHUS A30 is powered by an economical diesel engine that meets the current emissions standard for Euromot Tier 4. VENTRAC has manufactured their 4500 tractor with such an innovative design combining the power and capabilities of an all-wheel drive, the VENTRAC flex frame, and powerful engines to give you unmatched stability and control to get work done. This is perfect for golf courses, schools and universities, parks, street maintenance departments, commercial mowing services, contractors, wineries, farms, property owner associations, estate homes, and anyone needing one machine to do it all. CARMIX 3500TC is a new model in the line of time-tested mobile concrete plants. This model's eye-catching design is inspired by usability and customer feedback. The 3500TC is loaded with cutting-edge technology and has a batch output of 3 yard 3, around 3 batches per hour. A large LCD screen allows the operator to monitor and adjust the main parameters of the mixed concrete in real time. The advanced weighing system can store data about each batch of concrete produced, allowing for better control over material usage. Finally, we have the HRVB hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket from Dynaset, OI. It's a very unique bucket known for its capability to perform a wide range of cleaning jobs and even demolition activities. All of these are made possible thanks to its tremendous suction force that collects a wide variety of dust and debris, including fragments of plastic, wood, insulator wool, and light expanded clay aggregate. For a more precise and efficient cleaning, this machine gives the operator the freedom to modify the suction hatch, and also has an additional suction port and vacuum hose. That's it for today's list, but before we end, we'd like to let you know that we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching.